Today I have a fresh unboxing for you, and my product is going to be on the unboxing of this TP-Link. So this is a product from TP-Link. It's a 5-port 10 by 100 Mbps desktop switch. Just run you through the packaging and what's written on the packaging and why have I ordered this device. So there are a few reasons for why I've ordered this device. One is that I was looking for a product to increase or manage my network. When I say manage my network, when you have a lot of devices which you need to connect on the Ethernet, then you require a network switch. Network switches are important. You can split up the RJ45 connection, and that is one way, but the splitter doesn't really balance the data passing through the Cat5 cable or the Cat6 cable. So that's where you need a network switch. It does other things as well, which I'm just going to explain to you in a bit. So I chose this product from TP-Link because I'm not sponsored by TP-Link, not for this product. But I got this because I needed it, and I just needed a very basic switch. Now the cost of this switch is very low. It's just, I think so, £10. So that is very low, right? And so it's a good product for a tenner. And I'm just going to show you quickly that on the front it shows you the product shape, the face of the product. On the top it says TP-Link, and on the sides it gives you some information, and on the bottom it's just yellow. Packaging is quite decent. TP-Link products are usually in their signature light blue packaging, as you can see. So on the rear it shows you that it says fast Ethernet network expansion for your home or office. Just to let you know, guys, that if you are going to put this switch on a network in your home, and you've got devices like PlayStations and or you have devices in which you will be using a lot of data, like you'll be browsing the internet, say for example 2 computers would be browsing the internet heavily, then and you'd be downloading it, then this switch is not for you, because this is a very basic switch. This is a 10 by 100 megabits per second switch, so 5 ports, and if you put load on all the 5 ports, you can very well imagine it's going to be choked. So it says up to 200 megabits per second, that's the supporting speed, and it's plug and play, fanless technology, and it says green technology. Specifications are, it's used the standard protocol, it's got 5 ports, it's got LED on each of the ports, and it's quite small. But the main feature what you need to look into is the half and full duplex, the MAC address learning, which is for such a small switch, the MAC address learning feature is pretty good, and then auto negotiation ports and auto MDI and MDIX ports. What that is, I'll just explain to you in a minute. Let's go ahead, open the box and check out the packaging. The first thing is that it comes with this installation guide. It's got this plastic covering on it, and it has this pinhole which is the power LED, and then over here you've got these pinholes which would represent the LEDs as well. So you can see it's 5 ports. On the bottom it gives you the serial number. On the side you have the power connector. On the rear it shows you the serial number. Apart from that, it does come with a standard power supply. Here you go, guys. That is the UK plug. So on one end you can connect it to the switch, so that will basically just connect like that, and all you have to do is plug it in. Now this switch uses very little electricity, so you really don't have to turn it off or turn it back on again. You can just leave it. So as you can see guys, it's got 5 ports, right? What that means is that you can connect any of the cables to anywhere. So uplink or downlink from your router, the cable which would be coming in, the RJ45, you can connect into any of the ports, number 5, number 4, 3, 2 or 1. I would recommend to put it more in an order. It just makes more sense, and then you can plug one cable which comes from a router into number 5 or maybe number 1, and then rest of the network you can wire them on maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can tag them. So I was just telling you about the auto negotiation feature and why I chose this very simple switch. So in networking you have crossover and a straight cable. You need a straight cable when you have computers connected on the network, and you need a crossover cable if you want 2 computers to speak to each other. And in this switch, the facility is that even if you have a straight cable, 2 computers can still talk to each other because of the feature inbuilt inside this switch. And of course it's got some sort of software wizardry which comes from the factory, that it says that it's got this learning IP address sort of software. I'm not sure, but, you know, because we can't see the interface of the software, there is no way to see the software, but if they're saying it, it must be working. But by experience, I've used these switches and they do make sense. They're quite capable, but for a very small network, I'm telling you, this switch will be plugged into a network where there'll be 2 computers, 1 scanner printer, so it'll be a laser printer, which is often used by those 2 computers, and those 2 computers are connected on a LAN which is connected to the internet. And so for that situation it'll be ideal, and the maximum work being carried out on those computers is just working on Excel files and Word documents and so on. So in that case it does make a lot of sense to use this switch. So guys, this wraps up my video for the unboxing, and a little bit just to let you know guys about this TP-Link switch, 5-port switch. If you are planning to buy a switch for your small network, do let me know, or maybe if you need any advice, just leave your comments in the section below and maybe I could help you out in that. But as I said, if you have a larger network, then go for a larger switch, and because it's got more features and facilities to manage the network. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do give that thumbs up because it really helps me a lot, and do subscribe to the channel for more videos which I'll be putting out for tech gadgets and reviews and unboxings. They just keep on rolling. I've got lots of unboxings which I have to do. And guys, I wanted to tell you that I'll be doing a lot of giveaways as well, because I have loads of products which I need to do giveaway of. So just stay tuned for that, and we'll catch up in the next video. Alright guys, thanks for watching and take it easy. Bye for now.